Good afternoon class, third students. Today we will start a new chapter, that is chapter number 9, and the name of the chapter is demonstratives. Let's start. You have learned about demonstratives, this, that, these and those. There are 4 demonstrative words in English, that is this, that, these and those. So these are demonstratives. Let us learn more about them. Near the speaker. This is Rishabh's car. Now students, if the object in the sentence is near to the speaker and if it is singular, then we use this demonstrative. These are nice shoes. Here shoes, the object is near the speaker and it is plural. Now shoes are plural, so we use these. So in the sentence, if the object is near to the speaker and it is singular, then we use this demonstrative, and if the object is near to the speaker and it is plural, then we use these. Now far from the speaker. If the object is far from the at a distance place from the speaker and it is singular also, then we use that demonstrative, and if the object is far away from the speaker and it is plural, then we use those for those objects. For example, that is Purab's car. Now the Purab's car is at far distance, so we use, as it is singular, car is singular, so we use that to describe that car. Now in the second sentence, those are pretty socks. So socks are plural and these socks are at far distance, so we use those. These demonstratives stand alone, they are not followed by a noun. So these, in this type of sentence, the noun is not followed by the demonstrative. The demonstrative is a standalone. For example, it is coming in the starting of the sentence, this, these, that, those. So with this demonstrative there is no noun, means it is not followed by any noun, so it is stand alone. Now read these sentences. Near the speaker. If the object is near to the speaker and it is singular, then we use this. This car is Rishabh's. Now the Rishabh's car is near to him, and to describe that car we use this. These books are comfortable. Now here in this, the shoes are plural. It's a plural noun and it is near to the speaker, so we use these for this sentence. These shoes are comfortable. Next, far from the speaker. That car is Purab's. Now the Purab's car is at far distance, and to describe that car we use that, and it is singular, so we use that. Now those socks are pretty. Now the socks are plural and we use those to describe that object. These demonstratives do not stand alone, they are followed by a noun. Now look, in these sentences the demonstratives are followed by a noun. This car, here car is a noun, these shoes is a noun, so means these demonstratives are followed by a noun. Again in these sentences also, that car, here car is again a noun, those socks is a noun. So in these sentences demonstratives are followed by a noun. So students, revise all these demonstratives. Stay home and stay safe. Thank you.